What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Circle to search on PC. If you have Google Chrome installed, you can also use Circle to search on PC. Basically Google Lens. All you have to do is to right click anywhere, scroll down and click on search with Google image. So it's going to give you this effect, or you can also highlight the place you want to search like this. It's going to give you results at the right side. So that's how you use Circle to search on PC. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.